Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. We talk a lot about what to do in an emergency, but in this film we asked a paramedic to talk about why is it important to keep current with first aid training and how to avoid doing the wrong thing that could cause more problems.
So there are a number of things that we encounter that maybe are bad practice that people are doing to their family or their colleagues because they haven't kept up to date with first aid. So for example, putting butter on burns, that's something that went out of practice a long time ago, but they may not have realised that that's not an ideal mode of treatment. And equally with burns, sometimes people are submerging people in such cold water for such a long time, they're becoming really, really cold and hypothermic. So what I would encourage is that you just keep up to date with your training, access online resources, and make sure that the things that you do are current practice. Another thing that I could say that can hinder and delay us providing good treatment is so many households now have pets, and they will say these pets are so lovely and friendly and cuddly, but when you have their owner who is unwell, they sense it, they're so perceptive, and if you try and then assess them and put on monitors and different bits of equipment, they become quite protective and a real hindrance to us looking after them. So definitely put away pets, no matter how friendly they might be in everyday life.